Welcome to our Manoj MD YouTube channel. Today we will learn the secret truth of history, which came in the exam and can come in the future. So watch the video till the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. First question. Who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? Right answer, Chandragupta Maurya. Next question. Who was the first Mughal emperor of India? Right answer, Babur. Next question. Who wrote the Arthashastra? Right answer, Kautilya. Next question. In which year did the Battle of Plassey take place? Right answer, 1757. Next question. Who was the last Governor-General of Free India? Right answer C. Rajgopalachari. Next question. Which Veda is considered the oldest? Right answer, Rig Veda. Next question. Who built the Red Fort in Delhi? Right answer, Shah Jahan. Next question. Who was the founder of the Gupta Empire? Right answer, Sri Gupta. Next question. Who is known as the Napoleon of India? Right answer, Samudragupta. Next question. Who was the first Governor-General of India? Right answer, Warren Hastings. Next question. The revolt of 1857 started from which place? Right answer, Meerut. Next question. Who gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright? Right answer, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next question. The non-cooperation movement was launched in which year? Right answer, 1920. Next question. Who introduced the doctrine of lapse? Right answer, Lord Dalhousie. Next question. Who was the first Indian woman to become President of the Indian National Congress? Right answer, Annie Besant. Next question. Who was the first Indian Governor-General of Independent India? Right answer, C. Rajgopalachari. Next question. The Quit India movement was launched in which year? Right answer, 1942. Next question. Who was the founder of the Arya Samaj? Right answer, Dayanand Saraswati. Next question. Who founded the Indian National Congress? Right answer, A.O. Hume. Next question. Who was the first emperor of the Mughal dynasty? Right answer, Babur. Next question. The Battle of Buxar was fought in which year? Right answer, 1764. Next question. Who was known as Deen-e-Ilahi founder? Right answer, Akbar. Next question. Who was the first woman ruler of India? Right answer, Razia Sultana. Next question. When was the Indian National Congress founded? Right answer, 1885. Next question. Who was the founder of the slave dynasty in India? Right answer, Kutubuddin Aibak. Next question. Who built the Qutub Minar? Right answer, Kutubuddin Aibak. Who was the last ruler of the Mughal dynasty? Right answer, Bahadur Shah II. Next question. Who was the founder of the Indian Navy? Right answer, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Next question. Who gave the slogan Inquilab Zindabad? Right answer, Bhagat Singh. Next question. When was the Indian Constitution adopted? Right answer. 26th November 1949. How did you like the video? Comment in the comment box. And don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.